Hello, everyone, to week 4 of hybrid zoology. We are almost a month into this crazy school year, and you all are doing such a great job keeping on top of your work and staying positive. I know it's hard, but keep up the good work. It will end soon. All right. This week, we're going to continue our unit on evolution. You will be investigating the processes of natural selection through a series of virtual simulations. This week, there will be one short Edpuzzle video on natural selection. Remember to take notes as you watch the videos on Edpuzzle. And also the notes are available in the Evolution Unit folder in case you want to go back and recheck them. Just a reminder, progress reports go out Friday the 16th, so please use this 4-day weekend you have to get caught up with the work. And also be on the lookout for our first quiz. I am thinking that quiz is going to be 2 weeks from today, Wednesday the 7th. So it will take place on the 21st. That is a potential quiz date. It is subject to change, but that is the day that I am aiming for. More information on that and study guides and stuff will go out as we get closer to the quiz. This week, the focus is going to be on natural selection. We're going to explain how the process of natural selection leads to adaptations. You're going to be analyzing data to explain how natural selection leads to adaptations. You are going to explain how different environmental factors affect natural selection and adaptation. And then you're going to evaluate trade-offs of adaptations. In other words, you're going to be looking at pros and cons of certain adaptations in different situations. This is the agenda for the week. The agenda is slightly different than what we normally have just because we have the Friday Professional Development Day for teachers and the Monday holiday. So if you are in cohort A, I will see you on Tuesday the 13th. But if you are in cohort B, I won't see you until Friday the 16th. So, we're doing things a little bit differently this week just because, there's several of you that I won't be seeing for quite some time. So, everybody today, Wednesday the 7th, is going to hopefully attend a Zoom meeting at 9:50 just so we can go over some of the expectations for the week. Everyone's got to fill out the attendance tracker, as always. There's the natural selection Edpuzzle video, in which you will watch the video and answer some questions about it, those little pop-up questions, and take notes. Then there is the Peppered Moth game that you will play, and there's just a few questions about that. And then there's the discussion board, where you will look at costs and benefits of an adaptation in anole lizards. These 4 things are due on the 7th, today, Wednesday the 7th. I would like you to please respond to 2 other classmates' posts by the time you get to class on Tuesday the 13th. So need to have that done when you get to class because we will be talking about it. And then also, you will be doing the virtual gallery walk. The gallery walk is also going to be due when you come to class on Tuesday the 13th. This means you have the entire long weekend to read other classmates' discussion board posts and respond to them, and also look at other classmates' Gorangosa projects and come up with some takeaways. You need to have these two things ready for you when you come to class on Tuesday if you are in cohort A, because when you come to class on Tuesday, we're going to talk about these things. On that professional development day, Friday, I'm not assigning any additional work other than keep working on the gallery walk and commenting on your classmates' discussion board. On Tuesday, when we meet in class, we will do another simulation on natural selection, which is the PhET lab. We'll talk about it. And then Wednesday the 14th, we are going to have another Zoom meeting. This meeting is required for those in cohort B, but for those of you in cohort A, it is strongly recommended you attend. We'll be reviewing some of these natural selection concepts and introducing speciation. There'll be more for Wednesday later on to be announced. Those of you in cohort B, your Wednesday tasks are the same. Okay? Your discussion board posts and virtual gallery walk are also due on Tuesday, your remote day. And then you will also be working on the PhET lab, the natural selection PhET lab. I will be posting a video tutorial for how to do the simulation. That way you will be able to get the instruction for that and look for some of the tips and tricks for running the simulation as if you were in class, so you should be able to complete that, no problem. That will also be due on the 13th. Cohort B people, I do ask that you do come to the next Zoom meeting, which is on Wednesday the 14th at 9:50 a.m. so we can review the results of your PhET lab and the analysis and go over those things. Just since I won't be seeing you until the next following Friday, I want to quickly check in with you about that lab. All right, folks. If you have any questions on any of these assignments, please send me an email. Good luck and enjoy your long weekend.